I may be the oldest in the class, but that's okay. Well, I've been working with Gulf Coast for some years now. It seems like I was always bringing other people, but at 62 now, I'm in need of Gulf Coast. And they have been just such a great help to me, financially, educationally, and spiritually, because they're always encouraging to me to better my education so I can be self-sufficient. I wouldn't have been able to afford the funds for the college in order to secure my future financially if it wasn't for GCCS, Gulf Coast Community Services. I'm taking one course in medical languages, and then the second course is in medical billing and coding. They encouraged me, Ms. Baker and Mr. Wallace, and kudos to Mr. Gallardo as well, because in my Spanish classes, he's very helpful and very patient. And that's one thing I like about Gulf Coast, because they are patient with all clients. And I've noticed that all through the years. And they encourage you to take advantage of the programs that's been offered. And so I just decided to take advantage of it. I may be the oldest in the class, but that's okay. Encourage the older people, because they might be thinking that they don't fit in or nobody's going to take the time for them. But I want them to know that Gulf Coast isn't like that. I'm living proof. They are really excellent in being patient with the clients, young or old. It doesn't matter. They treat us all the same. And I'm encouraged by that.